for each candidate. And I'll start with Bilal Cheema. You've got 90 seconds to wrap things up.
We're at a critical juncture in the history of our city. By land, we're larger than Vancouver, Burnaby, and Richmond combined. In a few short years, we're going to be eclipsing the population of Vancouver. We have an opportunity right now to set ourselves on this path, this critical path, to make sure that we're the best that we can be, that we're looking after our children, looking after our seniors, making sure that no neighborhood is left behind, making sure that our kids have access to safe, supervised amenities, making sure our seniors are respected, and making sure that they're connected, active, and engaged in their communities. And at the same time, we also have an opportunity here to bring back some civility, making sure that City Hall is not just open for people to come to, but for City Hall to make sure they go into the communities. Council, mayor, going into the communities, using these resources that we already have to hold and invite people and inspire people to participate in our democracy. Thank you so much.
First of all, I want to thank all of you for being here tonight.